We're gonna start 1 minute of silence for the soul of the Lebanese people that we lost in the explosion. Okay.
Okay, we will be launching an introductory video. I would like to have with me the president of INSPIRELI, Mr. Karel Smekal. Mr. Smekal is also founder of the Applied Psychology of Architecture. Let's all have a warm welcome to him.
I have visited the Beirut port 1 week before, and what I saw was really, really sad. And together with Alexander ZEIN from the ZEIN Architects, we decided that we have to do something if we can. And it's a really big honor for me that I can help with our entire community, with students, architects, academics, to create a competition for proposals how to incorporate it, the port area to the city to rebuild a new life and to send or give the message to Lebanese people that they are not alone.
would like to have Mr. Alexander ZEIN, founder of ZEIN Engineering, president of the Beirut Port Competition, and the main organizer of this seminar.
Thank you. Much honored to be here today. Well, today is 1 year and 1 week after the explosion that occurred that ripped off the lives of many Lebanese and killed the flicker of many others. So fellow architects, fellow engineers, urban planners, I would like to welcome you to the 04008 Memorial Day Seminar, Soul of Beirut, as the world's soul is designated to the soul of the Lebanese people that lost their lives in this dire explosion. So we're gathered here today not only to mourn or grieve or ask for accountability, but to put a step forward to change. Our country needs a lot of change, from its political and governmental institution to its architectural and urban infrastructure. So we want our voices to be heard. We want to let the whole world think and talk about Beirut, talk about the future of Beirut, about the reconstruction. And we want to show to the world the potential of the Lebanese architect, locally and internationally. So I urge you to watch the entire seminar to learn more about its content. God bless Beirut, God bless Lebanon, may justice be served, and thank you.